Yeah, y'all be taking all the motherfucking shots, but it's sounding like it's misfiring. Yeah, sounding like it just jammed. Damn. Y'all be misfiring all the motherfucking shots. Bitch, you think you want something, gonna drop pop. Yeah, smoke the competition, la 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 la. La la, I smoke 'em up, man. It's sounding like your gun jam. It's sounding like I'm misfiring. It's sounding like it jammed, damn. Misfire, boy. Exploded in your fucking hand. Misfire shot. Bitch, you got me up for double now. Yeah. You tryna take a shot at me and misfire rather indirectly. Got no aim game whatsoever, no. You got this misfiring, you think you're shooting swag. Yeah. This shit's so sick, bitch. I let you talk, but I just sit back, handle business. I don't run my mouth, I just handle shit and make it go down. I don't have to talk about it. Y'all be misfired shots, yeah. You tryna take shots at me? It sounding like it's misfiring. Explode to me. Explode on yourself. You're gonna witness hell. And I've been through hell and back. There's nothing you telling me now. You bitches misfiring. It's sounding like you misfiring, you clown. You think you better than me. I just doesn't understand. It doesn't really seem so to me. Sound like you misfiring the shots. You got no aim game whatsoever, man. Missing all the targets, misfiring, yeah. And I can't say I fuck with it a little bit, 'cause I don't like none of this shit. I tell them how real can get. Yeah, I'm worth my weight soaking wet. Let them talk, bitch, I'm on it, bet. You wanna talk, that's a problem you don't wanna get.